Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a profile picture on your Facebook account. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Facebook. Then at the bottom of the page you click on profile. Then you choose edit profile. Now at the top of the page you click on add, and then you click on select profile picture. In this section you can choose a picture you want, and all you have to do is click on it. In this section you can edit your picture or you can say something about it, but if you are satisfied with this preview, then you click on save and you are done. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!